Yo, what's up? It's your boy Jonathan Belcher here. In this video, I'm gonna be talking to you about how to make money online in 2023. From this point moving forward, I'm gonna be sharing with you the tools that you need, the simple tools that you need to have success online. You know what I'm saying? Because the salary that they pay you at your job, that's what they pay you so that you can forget about your dreams. But you're worth so much more than that. You're worth so much more than that. All right. So making money online is not as complicated as a lot of people make it seem. But you do need some basic things to have in place in order to make it come into your bank account consistently, right? So one of the best ways you can make money online is through attraction marketing, which is basically through networking, through people to people contact, through connecting with people, and all of these new social media websites that we have online now is all about connecting with people. So why not do it in a way where you can make money, right? Why not do it in a way where you could potentially quit your job, and most people just don't like their job. Most people are doing something every single week, putting in 40, 60 hours every single week doing something they don't like just to be able to make ends meet, which I understand it. I understand, being in a situation where you got to make money in order to survive, take care of your children. But to do it for the next 25, 30 years, to do something that you really don't like for the next 30 years is, to me, in my opinion, a form of insanity, right? If you're not trying to find ways to invest in yourself, if you're not trying to find ways to grow and create multiple streams of income, then it's kind of like you're just accepting your fate of punching a clock, you know what I'm saying? And needless to say, working 40, 60 hours a week, like, you're putting in all this time into a job. And so when do you really find time to, enjoy your house? When do you really find time to enjoy your car, enjoy your friends? When do you really have time to enjoy your family, your extended family, or even have time to spend with your kids? Like, if you're putting in 40 hours to 60 hours to some company, and remind you, 9 times out of 10, this company does not care about you, because if something happened to you, or if, on the job, or if you decided to walk out the job, they would replace you like that at the drop of a hat. So understand that these jobs really don't care about you personally, right? So it would make sense to build on something on the side that you can put your individuality, something that's for you, right? Something that, as you're building it, it's to help you win. It's to help create more freedom for you. That would make a lot more sense than to just say, I'm at this job, I hate this job, which is what a lot of people do, unfortunately. Every single week, they gotta, after their days off, they gotta look forward to going to this job they don't like, and they just deal with it without ever looking at other opportunities, without ever looking at other options. And to me, personally speaking, like, that's just crazy to me to just say, I'm gonna just sign up for this, do this for the next 40 to 60 years, and I'm not gonna look at anything else to be able to quit my job. I'm not gonna look at anything else to become financially free. I'm not gonna look at anything else so I can have more time to spend with my kids. To me, that's a little insane. I can't sign up for something like that. Even the times I've been at a job, I've always worked on something on the side to make my own income, especially when you have, supervisors talking down on you, co-workers you may not like. Now, you want to know the test to know whether or not you really love your job? I'm gonna tell you the test, right? The question I'm gonna ask you right now is, if you hit lottery for hundreds of millions of dollars, would you keep going to your job? If the answer is no, then most likely you hate your job, which is okay. Most of us do. Most people working 9 to 5 jobs, we do hate our jobs, and we want to get out of that, right? Let's just be honest. Who the fuck wants to push a clock and be working 8 hours every single day? So when I was able to quit my job, it was a major accomplishment for me, because I knew that I was doing something I was passionate about and something that will help me to move in the direction of financial freedom. Now, I understand using your job to be able to fund things that will eventually someday allow you to walk away from your job. I totally get that. That makes perfect sense. You know what I'm saying? And one of the best ways, especially now, to be able to quit your job and walk away from your job is through attraction marketing, right? Which is similar to affiliate marketing. It can be basically more or less the same thing, because affiliate marketing is just you basically promoting a product or promoting a service and getting paid for doing that, you know, and there's no limit to the amount of people you can help. There's no limit when it comes to making money online to the amount of people that you can serve. So therefore, there's really no limit to the amount of money you can make. Not like a 9-to-5 where they tell you you're worth this much per hour, right? And when you retire in 30 years, you're going to be getting this paycheck per month, even though the worth of the dollar is less as time goes on. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like a shitty deal to sign up with when you think about the job program, right? Which is a salary is just them paying you to forget about your dreams, you know? So, but really what I want to talk to you about in this video is the essential things that you need, the essential pieces you need to be able to make a lot of money online in 2023 and moving forward, right? So number one, what you need is you got to have a deep reason why you want to even be able to become financially free, because any journey that you decide to embark on, if you're just in it for a couple of dollars, well, then that's not going to be enough to keep you pushing forward. You know, that's not going to be enough to keep you disciplined. That's not going to be enough to keep you on the track to financial freedom if you're just worried about money, money, money all the time. So there has to be something deeper, as a deep reason why you truly want to step away from your job. You know, maybe it's to spend more time with your children. Maybe it's to because, you know, the workspace you're in, you know, you feel deep inside you were born to be an entrepreneur. So find out why. What is the real deep reason why you want to be able to become financially free and not have to listen to a boss anymore, right? So then the next thing you need is you need some type of product or service to be able to promote. That can be something that you're really talented at. That can be you getting partnered up with another company which has a product that's in line with what you want to do, which is what I did, right? I basically we have a product and we have a team of people making money every single day in their business, right? So you need a product, you need something to sell or service, right? And don't let people tell you, oh, information is not a product. Information is a product, right? It definitely is. You know, we wouldn't have a Barnes and Noble bookstore if information wasn't a product. We wouldn't have people paying for college if information wasn't a product. The next thing you need is you're gonna need a capture page, right? Or like a landing page. So this is basically a tool where when interested people come to this landing page, they have the ability to give you their contact information so that you can build a rapport and follow up with these people. So that's the third thing you need, is a capture page. The fourth thing you need is a sales page, right? And this can either be provided by the company you join or the business you join. Like for my team, our team, we have a sales page that we provide you with. We have a capture page that we provide you with as well as soon as you get started. So basically what that will do is your sales page and your capture page will set up your sales funnel for you, right? So that's the next thing you need is you need an overall sales funnel, which means a sales funnel is basically something that takes somebody from being just a lead, an interested prospect, all the way to them becoming an actual customer and actually buying your product or partnering up with you, right? So it's like a streamlined funnel, right? From a lead all the way to hopefully joining you in business and being a part of what you got going on, and that's how you make money. Now, the next thing is you got to be selling something, right? You got to be offering something, or you know, so that's very, very important, because if you don't have nothing that you can offer somebody to help them, then what are they truly paying you for? You know, what are they truly investing in? You know, so you want to help people. You want to be sincere about helping people. You want to be sincere about teaching people the right things they need to learn in order to get to the next level in their life and in their business. All right, very, very important. Now, the next thing you need is you're gonna have to build up an audience in some way, shape, or form, or build up some kind of leads database in some way, shape, or form. So essentially, from your consistency and from whatever it is that you put out there into your social media accounts, whatever it is that you put out there as far as on your Facebook wall, your Instagram, your YouTube account, your TikTok account, your whatever, right? All of these social media accounts you can allow to come together to your advantage, to where different people on these different websites are able to see you, see how you can help them, as well as see how they can benefit by working with you, right? So once you start building up an audience, which in my opinion, is probably the hardest part, because it takes consistency, it takes work in order to build up an audience, but it's very, very possible if you're serious about succeeding and taking things to the next level, right? And that's exactly what we train you on how to do, is how to market, how to build yourself an audience, right? We train you on how to build yourself up a network of people who love following you, who love watching your stuff, who love reading your blogs, who love looking at your content, who love reading your Facebook posts, whatever, right? We teach you how to market on our team, because that is one of the most important parts to succeeding, right? So now, the more of an audience that you build that's interested in what you have to offer, that means the more people that will be going through your sales funnel, right? And over time, the more that your leads database builds, the more your potential customers build as well, right? So let's say you have 10,000 people on your leads database. Well, when you send out an email to those 10,000 people to connect with those people, now your potential of getting sales and being able to help those people, remember, that's always the key, and the goal is to help people succeed and win, or provide entertainment, whatever, right? It doesn't have to be just selling a product. You could be an entertainer. You can be somebody making comedy videos, dancing videos, singing videos, rapping videos. By the way, check me out on all streaming platforms, Jaydis Crete, right? On all streaming platforms. Check out my music. It's free on all streaming platforms. But yeah, so once you build up that audience, you're in the game, right? That's all it is. You're in the game. You're in a direct to consumer business. You have a product or a service, and you can directly provide that product and service to people all over the world on the internet. And that's really how you make money online in 2023. And then you just got to be consistent. And most importantly, find a supportive team, find a supportive mentor, somebody who really wants to help you. If it's not me, right? I'm here to help you. I'm approachable. But find a team that's winning and that's focused and have a similar goal as you, because the more support you have from that team,